Imagine a world where your value is not measured by a paper degree, but by what you can actually do. A world where employers do not ask, "Where did you study?" but instead, "What can you solve?" That world is no longer a dream, it's already unfolding. And at the heart of this revolution is AI. For decades, diplomas were golden tickets. They decided your job, your salary, even your social status. But today, companies like Google, Tesla, and Apple have already announced, a degree is optional. What matters is skills. The cost of education is rising, but the return on investment is shrinking. Students graduate with debt, yet many jobs remain out of reach because what they learn doesn't match what the market demands. The future belongs to those who can demonstrate ability, not just credentials. Skills like data analysis, coding, digital marketing, problem-solving, creativity, and communication are in higher demand than ever before. Companies are waking up to the fact that a piece of paper doesn't prove real-world competence. But here's where things get even more interesting. AI is now becoming both the teacher and the evaluator. Imagine this. Instead of spending 4 years in a university, you spend 6 months learning from an AI tutor designed specifically for you. It identifies your strengths, fills your weaknesses, and tests you with real-world scenarios. When you're ready, you do not just get a diploma, you get an AI-powered certification that proves you can actually perform. Platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy are already integrating AI into personalized learning. Soon, these certifications may carry more weight than a degree. Employers will no longer waste time scanning resumes filled with irrelevant coursework. Instead, AI hiring tools will analyze your skill portfolio. The apps you've built, the projects you have managed, the problems you have solved. Imagine applying for a job, and instead of being asked about your GPA, you are asked to solve a real-time problem with AI verifying your ability instantly. It is faster, fairer, and focuses on actual performance. So, should we forget degrees? Not entirely, but in the future, they will no longer be the gatekeepers of success. Skills, adaptability, and lifelong learning will take center stage. AI will not only teach us, it will certify us, recommend us, and even match us with the right opportunities. The question is not whether this will happen, the question is, are you ready to learn faster than the old system allows? If you believe in a future where skills beat degrees, hit subscribe and join us as we explore how technology is rewriting the rules of success. The diploma may fade, but your ability to learn will last forever.